Good afternoon YouTube, welcome back to the channel. Guess what? We are out camping again tonight. Not on Dartmoor though. I've decided to stay very local, so I've driven about a mile away from my house to Down Thomas, parked in the village car park, and I'm going to walk over to Wembury, check out the beach, and then possibly walk to Wembury Point, where I will try and find a place to pitch my tent. It's a beautiful day today. It's about 16 degrees, beautiful blue sky. I can see the sea in the distance, and I will give you a better look at it when I get closer to it. My top subscriber, Mr. Dyer, has been critiquing my videos, and he said to me that Dartmoor is not as exciting as some of the other videos that people produce in Wales, the Lake District, the Peak District. But unfortunately, I don't have mountains down here in the southwest. But what I do have are beaches. So hopefully, Chris, this will be more to your liking. That was Wembury Beach, well, part of it anyway. There's a more popular side around by the church, but I didn't go to that bit because it did look quite busy. But there was nobody on the bits that I was on. I think a lady walked past them with her dog. That was about it. I'm now going to walk along the path to the tree line and hopefully find a place to pitch my tent later. I'm not going to do it yet, it's still quite early. It's about 4 o'clock-ish, so I'll just have a little scout around, see if I can find anywhere, and then pitch up a little bit later. Right, I found a place to pitch. Just going to wait now until the sun sets. It's a weird feeling when you're camping in a place that you know you shouldn't be camping in. You kind of feel on edge. You feel like you're doing something wrong. So I'm waiting for everybody to go, sun to set, and then I'll pitch the tent, and then I can relax then. Just been walking up and down the coast, the southwest coast path for the last hour or so. At least the wind's died down now, It's been very windy today. It seems to have died down a little bit. So I will catch you in a bit when I put the tent up. Good morning, YouTube. It is 5:45 in the morning. I was woke by some birds chirping, which was quite nice. It's like having an alarm clock. It was really nice listening to the waves all through the night. That was quite nice. It was a bit of a chilly night, not because of the sleeping bag. I brought my Vango ultralight sleeping bag this time. The sleeping bag was fine. The mat was fine. It was just I didn't bring the silver mat, so I could feel the heat evaporating through the ground. But apart from that, it was a really nice, comfortable sleep. The benefit of not bringing very much is that you can pack away pretty quickly. So hopefully I'm going to pack away in the next 10-15 minutes or so, get the tent packed away, and then make my way back to the car. It's about 1.5 miles to 2 miles back to the car. Annoyingly, it's all uphill, but I will hopefully catch the sunset when I get closer to the car. I will probably not do much filming on the way back, mainly because my phone storage is full, but I will catch you a bit later.